Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing part 2 of my top 5 stories of 2018. But stay tuned, I have more videos like this coming and very interesting ones. So let's start off with Spice. Who remember when Spice deleted all her pictures off her Instagram page? And we were like, why would Spice delete all her picture? And then she locked her page. And then when she came back looking totally different. She came back looking like a totally different Spice. She looked like white version, light version of Spice, and that was to actually promote her single Black Hypocrisy that came out on her EP Captured. And people were saying that it was a stunt. I don't agree that it was a stunt. I just feel like it's good PR, it's good marketing tactic for her, and to bring attention to what she really wanted to talk about, which was Black hypocrisy and the classism that happens to women of darker complexion. And it's a serious social issue, so you have to give her props for taking that on and talking about it. And she stood firm in what she believed in and stood firm in what she thought was happening to her in society. And her EP Captured was #1 on iTunes for a very, very long time. Okay, so she accomplished her goal with that. And then who can remember when Dalton Harris entered the UK X Factor and the picture of him sitting in his co-star lap went viral? Okay, it went viral overnight. And a lot of people had a lot of negative things to say, threaten him, withdraw their support. And this was what Dalton had to say. Let's refresh your memory.
So yes, woke up to the internet this morning and saw something online, which is... nah, really, man? Completely, no, for real. I think if you is so uncomfortable with your sexuality that you feel like two dudes hugging is gay, then so be it. Like, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I'm here living out my dreams. So is this dude. You know what I'm saying?
How you know?
How you know? So big up Jamaica.
Say up Galway.
Say big up Jamaica.
Big up Jamaica. Say up Galway.
Up Galway.
Up Tune.
Up Tune.
Wee.
You know what I'm saying?
Up
so
Jamaica.
At the end of the day, we are living our lives, you know what I'm saying? And I have nothing to prove. But it's funny to me that my own country, where I fight for every single day, is showing our asses like this in a horrible way. And it's not good representation because we're not dumb people, you know? And who I sleep with definitely, I mean, this now have nothing to do with who I sleep with. Me's a single man, not sleeping with a man. So, peace and love anyways. Not an explanation, you know, just saying, mind your business, peace and love.
Mind your business.
Even through all the hate, all the negativity, he still managed to win the UK X Factor, and that was because of pure talent, and he deserved it. So big up to Dalton Harris. It is his birthday, I think yesterday. Happy belated birthday. Keep doing you and doing big things. And then the next story is going to be when Buju Banton first came home. When he was walking through the airport, not in shackles, not with US Marshals, not with the FBI or CIA or DEA or ICE. This man literally walked himself onto his plane, walked himself through the airport like the king he is, and his arrival was anticipated, and everyone was happy that Gargamel was home. And he announced his Long Walk to Freedom tour, which will kick off March 16, 2019. See you there. So big up to Gargamel, and that was one of the biggest stories of 2018. And who could forget Spice versus Naru of Nightly Fix? Spice had her Captured release party, and I guess Nightly Fix was invited as one of the press persons, and they got into a heated argument, very heated argument, because Spice was claiming that Naro was degrading her and downplaying her because of her skin tone, and he does not do it. He don't do it to other dancehall artists of lighter complexion, and I can see where Spice was coming from with that. Naro said don't do it, but his co-host always bigger up. And Spice is trying to say, why did you try to downgrade and play me? I'm not trying to talk about your co-host. I'm talking about you. A lot of people are saying that she should have told him to go suck in mother. But please remember that these artists are human being and they make mistakes also. A lot of people like to come on social media and pretend that they're holier than thou, but it's life. Things happen, we say things, and it is what it is. And Spice is not a woman to take back things that she said. And the next topic is Vybz Kartel's appeal case. Okay, many were captured with his appeal case because it showed exactly how corrupt the JCF and the Jamaica judicial system was, and how they sabotaged not only him but his 3 co-accused. And this was where they show all the evidence and put it out there, and they did a good job with his appeal. We're praying and hoping that he comes home by the new year and drops some really good music for us. And he is still the king. He's still the most streamed artist, contrary to some bad mind people who post on social media in Jamaica. And who could forget when Cartel came back on Instagram? Darker, okay? The Black Cartel has risen. And as you guys know, Cartel have a new album set to be released soon. And if you guys know anything about Black Cartel, you should go listen to some of his music. I feel like he's going to switch it up, put in a like 3rd gear right now for this album. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those are my top 5 stories of 2018. Please tell me what was your favorite stories of 2018. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Doses.